Good afternoon, everyone. This is R. Krishnivas, a member of the Hindi Times, the official campus magazine of CEG, SAB, and SAP. And as a part of the Club Founder Series initiative, it's an honor and privilege to have Dr. T. Narasimhan, the founder of Student Quality Council. He is an esteemed professor from the Department of Chemical Engineering, ACT. Shall we move on to the question session?
Yeah, please.
What inspired or influenced you to start a club in Anna University, and what had driven you interest towards quality management?
Well, as I told you, coming from company, Tamil Nadu Industrial Explosives, I knew what was happening there in terms of quality. And I always used to compare medicinal students who have, my daughter is there, first year itself she said she's going to hospital. Going to nursing homes. I was thinking, what is this happening in campus? Guys who start industry very late. So there was a need to have a live touch with the industry and quality. Like when I was in this college, IT, I myself, IT means somebody else will take care. And you go for Pascal, Fortran, formula translation, and takes 2 weeks to get a printout for one small program. I felt it was not my cup of coffee, but now we all know IT is not like that. IT enabled services, even a pre-KG child has to operate, so it's everybody's. Quality is absolutely no different than that. Absolutely no different than that. So it is everybody's. Now, how to bring in this was a big question, and I always went by Kalam's view of Vision 2020, thinking of the future generation, and you got to inculcate in the mind of the students. So we started this center from the house of TVS and started enjoying training programs for companies and making a lot of money. And then we said, no, we'll have to subsidize for students, give a lot of free things, and rope in the students to join this movement of TQM, wherein children will get. So that was the urge. And I'm so very happy. 95 I started the Center for Quality Management. 98 itself I started Students Quality Club. And now off late, 5-6 years back, it became Student Quality Council. Wherein, now all the children are fully realized that is why, this is a cosmopolitan. It is not confined to one department. As every department comes here and learns about quality. So that is the inspiration. And all the alumnus, guys have gone to Harvard, guys have gone, Byju's or promoters are from this club. Perfect organization. Many organizations, like first president Shankar Nivas is come for campus interview and dream job, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs per annum. So to that extent, this club has started moving in its purpose. So that was the inspiration. I'm quite happy it's happening like that. If not this corona, you will find it always with students here. So otherwise it's...
Your words are so motivating, sir. People say quality is more important than quantity. How do you relate this in terms of student activities in this council?
See, that's what I said, no? Anything small should be with excellence. Okay? So, doing it in a quality perspective is more important. The result is more important. The effectiveness is more important. Not volumes. So, we started saying, do anything, little, but do it with perfection, do it with excellence. In that way, students have really enjoyed. If you find time, you just interview the alumnus of this club, you will find. Every Teacher's Day, I can show you my WhatsApp. Year by year, every children, sir, what I picked up from you, I'm like this. It's so satisfying because they have picked up something during their training year. So, quantity, we should not go chasing. Do something one at a time, small, but do it in a disciplined way, in an organized way. People should come, the demand should be there. So, in that way, I was able to sell the concept to the children and they have picked up.
What were your short-term and long-term goals when you decided to begin this club?
Well, quality is a journey which has no destination. Okay, it is continuous. Okay, so initially it was a big struggle for me to get a president. I had to run behind students in the evening. 4:30 class will be over and they'll be running. And I'll go behind them. Hey, come. That was the thing. And now the demand. Before the guys pass out, a lot of people wanted to become president, and it has transformed totally in a different way. Okay, so it's a continuous one. You can't define this. Okay? That is why I started bringing in a model which was 6 semesters. Each semester you do one model here. Each model you have about 15 training sessions. I created a model. Okay, so a student while studying BTech itself will be qualified, certified for TQM person. There are a lot of certificates worldwide, TQM certificates. So those who are interested can come up on this, and that will be a continuous one. They are bigger exercises. Otherwise, every semester, every year, people come and go like that. Okay. So short term means for me a year. When a batch comes, they should have a clear annual plan, enjoy, do better than last year, and keep going. And I have been listening to people who are recruited that Narasimhan Students Quality Club, people who have experience in this club are doing better than us. They have reduced our training job. So all these I am getting the input. That is why I am quite happy. These are all short. Long term in the sense, there's not much big difference in this, because once inculcated, it gets into them and they do only that. They can't be anything else. So that is what I define as a long term.
In what ways is SQC unique in carrying out student-related activities when compared to the other clubs?
Well, that you got to ask the students, because I'm a tough taskmaster. Okay, definitely with total empowerment it is done by the students, but here there's a lot of policing and monitoring, because we want it to be done better. Do a lot of ownership. And we have a team of industrial people who are also in the committees and helping and guidance and all that. So there's no dearth for that. So unique in the sense here is fully practical. Management, unlike other subjects, have come out of practice to book. Science and other things have gone from lab to field. This is from field to classroom. Okay, so that's a very big thing. And that students get when they interact with the industry. All the resource faculty here are industrial personnel, and they give a lot of opportunities they get for industrial visits, industrial projects and things like that. So in that way it's quite different, very practical oriented and things like that.
Okay. How does SQC train students in their career, and what are the events carried out by the club regularly every year?
Events are a host of events for students. Every week or every fortnight they keep going. And every year, first year they catch off pathfinders, they give off an orientation for all the students. Annual conference for industry people, we do it with children. That's a very amazing experience they get. That is also another uniqueness. All other conferences, I don't think they are running programs for industrial executives. But we run competitions for employed people. And there's a very, I can be frank in telling you, they also know that. I'm stealing the company to give a practical experience for students. 50 companies come and participate under one roof. What an amazing experience. Can anybody think of 50 case studies, 50 company case studies under one roof? Where will they get an opportunity? You can't go to one company and listen to a case study, live case study. But here, just sitting like this comfortably, they get 50 companies case study for one competition. And I have varieties of competition. So, that way, I just want to go back to that question.
Yeah, what are the events that students...
Yeah, that's what. So this annual event QQuest goes on with a lot of preparation, and it ends up with they going on a factory visit also, and seminars are held in the factory. So this itself takes up 2 months, and I allow students to come here for 10 months, 12 months. But unfortunately, our vacations are very big. 1.5 summer, they want to have a summer break. I want the summer to be very active here. But it doesn't work. So in that way, we can increase more if we are able to rope in also during this time. Otherwise, around the year we keep on running programs, and industrial consultancy which we do, we involve students to get associated with us in documentation and things like that, and it's an amazing experience for them.
I could know that students are really benefited from these clubs. And this club is very much unique when compared to other clubs because it gives hands-on experience and industrial expertise. Nice to know from you, sir. Moving on to the next question. What are the resources available in this club and how do they cater to the need for student-related academic and research activities?
Well, resources have a very big panel, 70 people or so, expertise, the senior executives, and of course senior academicians also. We have a panel. They come for training and counseling and things like that. Okay. Facility-wise, we have full time. We have 2 halls, we have a library, we have an office for SKG students and all the connectivity and all that. Infrastructure-wise, there's no problem. For students' activities, money is also not a problem. Everything is very much subsidized. And one good thing what I have done is, during Dr. Bal Guruswamy as Vice Chancellor, that annual conference, what I said, QQuest, it came to an extent of, for me, you bring a chief executive means he should be a chief executive, not an ordinary manager, general manager and things like that. He should be an entrepreneur, owner of the company and things like that. So I always think like that, roping in chairman. So initial first 10 years you will see all such big people only coming. It went to the extent of being governor for annual event. Can you ever think of? Governor Ram Mohan Rao was the chief guest for a QQuest. And I used that opportunity to introduce TQM as a core subject for all branches of engineering. I don't know whether you have now TQM as a core branch of engineering. Yeah, it was a core subject and then it became like that. Because probably they are also becoming saturated, so the realization has happened, that's why I don't know why they have pushed it. But otherwise, quality is everybody's cup of coffee. So that time, it was made mandatory for all branches of engineering. Because it's so very important. So, resource-wise, there's absolutely no problem. Facilities, books, all the TQM books are here in the shelf. Children read, and more important is I have a practice of keeping company newsletters. This is also another different features of this. Every company has newsletters, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly. I get from them and place it here. It has all practical information. How do you use the quality tools? How do you do parent? How do you do cause and effect? Everything they can see live. So whatever they have in classroom, they can come and see and go. And it is active in the evenings and holidays. That's another uniqueness of this. It's very busy in the evenings and holidays.
Okay. Can you share a few achievements and awards received by SQC?
Awards. One, Peter Martin Roy got an essay competition award by National Institute of Quality and Reliability. Just imagine a student writing about TQM and getting an award. It was very nice of him. And guys here are simply settled very immaculately. One president, Vishwanath, passed out of this college and started working in TCS. 4 or 5 years, suddenly he is a technical secretary in Washington for a big CEO. And his thirst didn't end there. Further, he moved up to Harvard Business School. Very tremendous growth. Byju's, one of the co-founders, Byju's, all of you know. Santosh, passed out from here, 2002 or 3. Amazing. So, personality growth-wise, there are a lot of people. As I showed you that perfect.com, that company, Shankar Nivas. So, people have grown and here they go for quiz and other college competitions and guys excel. And our own annual conference also, many people. Now I started saying that you have to have separate competitions for this unannounced guys and other company guys because it's not fair. So in that way, penetrate, the objective of the center was to promote TQM in the minds of the children. In that way, we have a lot of standing examples.
And students have imbibed a lot of values and they've inculcated skills when they go out of this institution, and this club paves way for it. It was an insightful session with you, sir, on quality. Thank you so much. Quality is remembered long after the prize is forgotten, and it's a pride of every workmanship. The Guindy Times congratulates Professor Dr. K. Narasimhan for having founded this club in Anna University and empowering students in substantially improving their personal and professional capabilities by conducting innovative and creative programs, and that too focus on quality management, and they also make the students know the latest trends, challenges and industrial requirements. Thereby they mold the students as holistic engineers when they come out of this campus. And we wish SQC all the best in every endeavor. Thank you so much, sir.
The present director, Dr. Meena Kumari, should not should not be left. She is taking the baton from me to continue the journey. Yeah, you can toss 1 or 2 questions to her also.
After taking the post, what are your plans and how you want to take up this club, ma'am?
I just want to carry out whatever SAP dream was about SQC. And then I am just implementing all ICT enabled things in current SQC as per the day's trend. So that's what I'm doing currently. But I have few aspirations, and I'm just in a discussion with all the SQC members. Just now we have completed 2 quests through Microsoft Teams. So I'm just happy to carry over whatever Sarah's aspired for with SQC.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Quality in life and in action is important. And then it will spread to the products we make. Then Kalam சொன்னது to the SQC பசங்க மீட் பண்ணப்போ ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கேட்டான் when will 40 equal to rupee 1 and what is his answer? Hard work. Before taking a president, he was here for some time. After we have an opportunity. This one thing will give you a view, pa. And then I told you that I'm on the government. See, that person, students, quality person. I like me, that person, I'm going to show you. Welcome, and there's a lot of thanks. This is the governor, and I took a free they introduced her. Language student language is what we do for schools, colleges, school kids, etc. Because I want to spirit of Panama, you want to catch out of it.